In trading, we have what's known as technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis is reading the charts, the technicals of the charts, the structure, the health and momentum, and that would be considered technical analysis. We have fundamental analysis. This evaluates the fundamentals of a company or a country. For example, interest rates, unemployment, inflation. For a company, it would be the economic factors, the health of the company, whether it's profitable, earnings announcements, product launches, central bank policies, etc. Those are all tied into fundamental analysis. Also, fundamental analysis involves news, political changes, geopolitical events. This morning we woke up to news of a geopolitical event in Venezuela and the capture of the president of Venezuela. We ask ourselves, how will this affect the market and how will this affect the people around the world? As far as the stock market goes, this type of geopolitical event will certainly cause volatility in the markets. So someone's 401k holdings may have some swings. An investor, as well as day traders, there will be volatility. The question that we ask ourselves is, who benefits from this? In the statement from the president today, he is proclaiming that the U.S. will run Venezuela until a safe transition will take place. We ask ourselves again, who benefits from this? And the one thing that stands out and that stood out from his interviews is oil. In short, these type of geopolitical events are about money. It's unfortunate, but he spoke about oil a lot and how the United States wants that oil and is going to control that oil and is going to sell that oil and is going to make a lot of money from the oil. Venezuela holds the world's largest oil reserves, even more than Saudi Arabia, Canada, Iraq, Iran, Russia, Kuwait, United States, Libya, and China. So when we hear about